It is all ironed out. I am going to grease my scalp. I'm using my Yale, and it has a dropper. This is the dropper, and I just take it and I go all through my scalp like this. As I'm going like this, I'm squeezing it out. Now I massage. Now it's all massaged. I take a little bit, put in the palm of my hands, and then I rub, and I go like this. And then I concentrate on the ends of the hair. All set, and I just untangle it. I want everything to go through the strands, so I'm just passing the comb through the hair. Now I want to put some rollers in, so I am going to separate the hair again. In no particular order, I am going to put some rollers. When you get to this point, you can call it, this is it for today. You tie your hair with a silk cap later on, you go to bed, but I'm just going to do a little bit of rollers today.